Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix games not visible in Google Play Store on Nokia 5.3. First, we need to open up settings. They should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them, all you need to do is scroll up, then click on search bar, write settings, then go to apps, then click on Google Play Store, storage and cache, and click on clear cache. Now all your apps should work. Wait, I'm just gonna open it up. Good. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would mean a lot to us if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.